What's up, everybody? It is the next day here, day 2 of the frame, and I did, as you can see, some work off camera to make sure that this thing is lined up perfectly. And as you can see, we have our headlight in and our fenders on, and everything is perfect. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna put the hood on. My dad and I are gonna put the hood on and make sure that the hood is sitting and securing properly onto the top of the frame here, and we're gonna gently put it down so it doesn't move this out of line. Here we go. All right, guys, moment of truth. Okay. It's raining. All right, well, while it's still kind of July, summer, August weather, and it decided to do a thunderstorm, we're just gonna open up our new parts here. We did order a new radiator and a new condenser for the air conditioning. Brand new air conditioning condenser. All right, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna wait for this rain to finish, and then we're gonna figure out to put that hood down into place and tack that frame down. Case, you scared of the rain, huh? Scared of the rain? All right. Farm dog only likes the weather when it's sunny out. And from the depths of the steam, you have a Saab. Yes, a Saab. Go back to work on it now that the rain decided to stop. All right, guys, so this isn't latching. Hey, we're doing this raw. We're doing this real, live, raw. So if you look, you can see that this is the point of where the frame comes in, or the hood comes down, right? So let's bring this down and look at it from a side angle.
Two hours later.
All right, guys, so from the looks of it, when we put this down, it latches, okay? And when you look at the line, well,
ooh, that worked.
that time it did, yeah. Okay, so that's exactly where it needs to be, right there. If you look at the body line over here, it looks good. You can see all the way across, it's consistent. And this here, we're gonna tack in. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's not about being perfect here, it's about making it work. So let's make it work. If we can make it work, we did our job. All right, guys, we are gonna tack weld this into place. It keeps raining here because it's summer, so we're gonna go ahead and dry everything. right, guys, this side is on there. I mean, gotta maybe do 1 or 2 more over here, but that's it. You'll see right here, right where my finger is, I left a piece of the old frame there as a tab because I knew that this was a hard angle to get. Like over here, this is the original frame here that I cut out and did everything. So everything is kind of back in the original place. So here is our last tack weld, is this tab to the frame. Whole thing tack welded, all onto the original lips, so it's kind of secured the way it was, and that's the way we want it. We have success. I adjusted that knob down one more time, and it has successfully locked into place. Obviously, if I pull on this, everything's loose because I haven't tack welded it in yet. However, on the flip coin, more positive is if you look at the body line, it is a consistent flow all the way down to where it needs to be, where I'm happy with that. It's very close, and of course this is going to come down a little bit more, so just so you guys can see that this line here now is consistent. Again, when I actually mount the fender into place, this will go into place and line up with the lines. So great success. I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure out how to tack weld this thing into place permanently, and then we'll go from there. Stay tuned. The last question is, of course, before we tack weld this, is if I pull the release, will both sides rise? Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Love it when it works. Love it when it works. All right, so the hard part here is I didn't leave enough meat on that metal to just tack weld easily like I did over there. So let me figure that out now, and then I'll keep you posted here. I'm gonna reuse and recycle this piece of metal here from the old frame, and I'm going to tack this into place, probably like right here, and then bend the rest of this down